Why Demo-Dozer? Why would you choose a Demo-Dozer over another attachment? I'll tell you why. My customers who actually purchased the Demo-Dozer have been visionaries because they saw the value of this attachment, this all-in-one multi-tool attachment. Why would you buy a Grapple when you can get a Grapple and a 4-in-1 and a dozer and a demo bucket and a clam bucket all in one? The reason is because you're a visionary. You want something that's going to help your business grow, that's going to make you money, that's going to make things easier. It's going to cut down your hours on your machine and the fuel you use and the space on your trailer. All those things add up to the Demo-Dozer because that's what it is. It's a combination tool that gives you an edge over your competition, all in one unit.